Good evening, everyone. I am going to make fried cauliflower, or I should say air fried cauliflower in the air fryer. So I picked up this air frying cookbook at Ollie's. There's like lots of air frying cookbooks out there right now. But this one had like 3 different ways to cook cauliflower in the air fryer. I'm going to do this one because I had all the ingredients. Olive oil, parsley. Well, it did say fresh parsley, but sorry, I'm not using fresh parsley. Panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan, salt and pepper, and then I'm going to spray the bin with the basket with butter. What are you doing? What's going on? Really? You got a bazillion cat toys and you want my kitchen towel? Okay. So first step, I'm gonna wash the cauliflower and cut it into small florets. Florets? Is it florets or florets? And then we're gonna toss it with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons panko breadcrumbs, and 1 tablespoon chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 4th teaspoon of pepper, just to flavor it. And then it's gonna go into the air fryer for 12 to 15 minutes at 390. I'm supposed to preheat it. Do you ever preheat your air fryer? I did in the beginning, and now I get lazy and I don't, but I guess I should. But yeah, I'm pretty bad. I never preheat my air fryer. All right, I got all the spices in there, just tossing it around. And it said to like cook them in batches, but this was a really small head of cauliflower. So I think I can do it all in one batch. Hopefully. I'm just trying to get everything to stick to the cauliflower. I decided to use a liner. I did pick up these liners at Dollar Tree. I think there was like 10 of them in here for $1.25. I wasn't going to, but a lot of the breadcrumbs didn't stick. Don't really want to lose them to the bottom of the pan. So that way if they get nice and crunchy, hopefully they won't burn and I can sprinkle them back on after everything is done cooking. I thought I smelled something burning, but I thought it was because I was cooking gravy on the stove. So this was 12 minutes. Yeah, they got a little extra crispy on several cauliflowers. The book said 12 to 15 minutes. So yeah, this was at 12 minutes. This is 1 head of cauliflower. Sure don't look like much after it cooks down. But it was a smaller head and it was still a $3.98 at my grocery store. Quick taste test. See if it's cooked all the way because half of them are burnt. It's pretty darn good. I'm just be making these more. But what I'm learning through the air fryer is always cook it 3 or 4 minutes less than what any recommended time always is. Anytime I use the full recommended time, they tend to burn. Just my experience. I would do this again.